starting off with OEM products, there is a difference between those and DSP or shelved products. OEM products don't come with packaging. The inherent benefit of this is that, well, they're going to save quite a bit of money. Like, say, if a processor costs $250, you're going to save like $30 to $40 by getting the OEM version. There are rules that are attached to those, so that's why they sold only in upgrade kits or in fully complete systems. Those being the rules, is you have to sell them as a system product. So whatever you or wherever you sell them, it has to come with a motherboard and RAM and a cooler to basically complete a PC build. It's a base for a PC. Those are the rules that are created by AMD and Intel themselves. They're not actually rules that Evetech decided to create themselves. That's why when you buy an upgrade kit, the overall cost is a lot lower, because those products are specifically made to be sold in that sort of environment. So yeah, when you get your motherboard box and the CPU is inside and the RAM is inside the motherboard box, it's because those things are actually sold on trays and they don't come with any packaging whatsoever. Evetech then makes sure that they at least have like a little container or something, so that it's not just like the freely running around inside of the box during shipping. This doesn't mean that it's got any less warranty or quality or anything else to it. It just means, yeah, you're saving like $30, $40, and in South African rands, it's like $800 that you're going to save by doing that. So of course, Evetech has both. They have the fully packed products as well. But I mean, do you really want to pay 800 Rand for a box? I say skip me with that.